Check it out, nigga. Triple D. You think it's a fucking game though? I don't give a fuck, nigga. Sitting in the condo, thinking about everything I used to fucking do though. I don't regret it, bro. I was a drug dealer and I'll be hustling every day. Don't give a shit, man. Just trying to make a couple dollars to survive in the Honda City. I don't give a shit, nigga. I'll be cooking up pot brownies, cause I know the recipe. Put a 12 gauge to my fucking head, blow it away, cause I'm a little crazy. Instead, I don't give a shit. I wanna fuck your bitch in my bed. Let the bed screen squawk, break. I don't give a shit. I'm about to break her though, cause I'm gonna fuck her so hard that she even knows. She be coming back twice and fucking blows my dick all fucking night. I'll be doing white powder like a motherfucking night. I don't give a shit. I'm really fucking hyped. I don't care though. I'll be running around in the yard, going down the street, always fucking drug dealing. Don't have a car, but I'm always riding a bike though. I don't give a shit. Bed's better than nothing instead of walking, bro. I carry a gun on my side every day though, so I don't get robbed or get shot though. I don't give a fuck. I'm running on your block, bro. Here we go. I got kilos in my backpack. I don't give a shit, nigga. I ain't fucking sacking around in this shit though. I'm a realist nigga like a motherfucking Nazi. I don't give a shit, white power all the way, Nazi. Don't care, nigga, what you gonna do when you don't pay up? I'm coming for you. I'm such a dope with the blade. I don't give a shit, pocket knife. Watch you fucking dive when I'm cutting out your juggalo. Why? Cause you owe me money though. Cause you owe me money, cause I upfronted you a whole 20 fucking bricks. I don't give a shit, nigga, I'm fucking rich. But you fucking owe me money, I'm not gonna be nice to you no more, motherfucker. I don't give a shit, nigga, I'm a fucking hooker. I'm like a gorilla, blowing motherfucking body acid everywhere when I'm baiting on my chest. Going to the highest motherfucking building, like King Kong going chased by the fucking police. I don't give a shit, nigga, they got helicopters. Grab the fucking suit up, blow that helicopter up, boom, nigga. I don't care though, I'll be doing rap shit every day, bro. Not even write a song, I'm doing freestyle. I don't give a shit, I'm not done in a while. What you gonna do, I'm fucking back, bro. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, I'm smoking crack every day though. I don't give a shit, yeah right bro. I'm coming back, I'm making this song silver. Not fucked up, I don't give a shit. Running around with a chopper, rip, on that chopper, nigga. Slap around, I'll drop you, nigga. Don't be fucking with me, don't cross that line, or you be dead in the motherfucking back of the motherfucking alleyway. I don't give a shit, nigga, let's go. Like, here we go, coming to the fucking top. I'm not gonna fucking drop. What you gonna do? I'm like the baddest rapper out there. Better in Blues Clues and fucking Dark Side. I don't give a shit, nigga, I'm getting fucking high. Smoking a rip, smoking a bong, and I'm fucking clearing it. And it's like 3 foot long like a motherfucking pyramid. I don't give a shit, I'm standing on the cliff, but to let myself go. Jumped off the cliff and now I'm flying in the sky. Hit the motherfucking ground and I fucking died. But I came back though, came back alive. Cause I'm never gonna fucking die in this world though. I'ma stay alive till it fucking ends. I don't give a shit, nigga, I'm not your friend. At the end.